guys, and welcome back. I'm Teacher Meganspoors from teachermeganspoors@gmail.com, and today we are going to talk about how to pass your SMART demo lesson with VIPKID. My referral code is below if you need a mentor. I am happy to walk you through the application process and hold your hand as much or as little as you need. If you have chosen to do the SMART demo, congratulations, you're in the right place. Let's just get into it. The SMART demo is done solely from your phone. There are some pros and cons to the SMART demo, if I'm being completely honest. One of the cons, in my personal opinion, is if you're new to being an ESL teacher, the con is that you don't really have the slide ahead of time, which can be a little nerve-wracking for some people because you don't really get a good chance to really practice those slides, those specific slides that you're going to be teaching. Because the slides are always changing. You're only teaching maybe 1 or 2 slides. So that's a big advantage there, and it's a much faster process from what I hear. When you begin the SMART demo lesson, you're going to take a 5-question quiz, and it's basic information about VIPKID and ESL teaching. Once you get into the classroom, that's when you can see the slide and you have time to prepare before you hit the record button. So don't think that you have to go into it completely blind. You have the slides in front of you. And from what I am seeing, it is mostly a verb conjugation. You have a couple of options here. You can use a whiteboard. If you do not have a whiteboard, I just snagged this at the Dollar Tree for $1. But if you don't have a whiteboard, don't think that you have to go out and buy anything for these demo lessons, because you don't. You can use a piece of paper. You can use a Post-it note. You know, you have many options here, so don't stress about that. So if you input your email, then I can send you an email packet to use in your demo and in your mock lessons, and even beyond, and even in the classroom. I'll include a sad emoji. I'll also include a reward system for you, and just, you know, cut these carrots out and feed the rabbit. Easy reward system. These are the 4 main tips that I have for you to pass your VIPKID SMART demo lesson. Tip number 1 to pass your SMART demo lesson with VIPKID is when you hit that record button, you want to give a quick introduction of yourself. Hi, I'm Teacher Megan. My background is da-da-da-da. My degrees are da-da-da-da-da. I have X amount of teaching experience. VIPKID is looking for at least 2 years of teaching experience. It can be homeschool, daycare, substitute teaching, a teacher's aide, anything like that where you're working with kids and teaching them something, and spin it in a way that's educational. Then jump right into that lesson. All right. Tip number 2 to pass your SMART demo lesson with VIPKID is to use a reward system. You're going to reward that student. I know you're only teaching for 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but they're looking for about 3 rewards. Good job, Rachel! You get to feed the rabbit a carrot. 1 carrot. Nom 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 nom. Good job, Rachel. 1 carrot. Tip number 3 that I have for you to pass your SMART demo with VIPKID is to use props. VIPKID loves props. They are required in the classroom. So you have 2D props that's available if you just input your email, and I can send those to you for free. There's something in that packet for all demo lessons and mock lessons, okay? So I got you covered. A whiteboard. Those are some excellent props for you to use. And you might want to try to throw in some 3D props, such as I have a dog. That's an extension of using a full sentence when teaching that verb conjugation of have, has. Tip number 4 that I have for you to pass your SMART demo lesson with VIPKID is have fun, be energetic. You don't have to teach exactly how I teach. Be authentically you, put your own spin on it. Tip number 5 that I have for you to pass your VIPKID SMART demo is to correct imaginary mistakes. You'll often hear students drop an S at the end of a sentence. That's a pretty common mistake to make. So that's an easy imaginary mistake to correct. It likes apples. Likes. It likes. Next week, I am going to be releasing a video explaining the entire VIPKID application process. And I'll be uploading that next week. If you haven't done so, hit subscribe, the notification icon, so you're notified when that goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.